Settlement approved. A federal judge has signed off on the $626 million deal for the Flint Water Crisis, providing compensation to tens of thousands of people impacted by the city's water supply.
That figure includes contributions from 4 sources. TV5's Jamie Sherrod joins us live in Flint with reaction. Jamie?
Judge Judith Levy signed off on the settlement today. It's big news for the city of Flint, but whether it's good news depends on who you ask.
I think it's a sad day in this chapter of the Flint Water Crisis.
Former Flint Mayor Karen Weaver disappointed in the numbers from the final settlement for the Flint Water Crisis.
I'm not satisfied. I'm not happy about the settlement at all. I never thought it was justice for the people of Flint. I never thought that amount was financial accountability for what happened to the people of Flint.
That number, $600 million from the state. The city of Flint will pay $20 million, McLaren will pay $5 million, and Roll Engineering will pay $1.25 million.
When you think about death, loss of life, women that had stillbirths and miscarriages, people that died from pneumonia, when you look at the cognitive impact that it's had on our kids.
What was Judge Levy thinking when she allowed McLaren to pull out $15 million out of the original settlement and go on their merry way?
Resident and activist Claire McClinton shocked at the judge's decision, especially since the city is being held responsible for $20 million.
Because we did not poison ourselves. The emergency manager, the state was in control when this unfortunate disaster took place. So why are we, the residents of the city of Flint, being asked to pay as if we poisoned ourselves?
Here's the breakdown on how that money will be dispersed. 64.5% will go to Flint children 6 and younger. 10% will go to children ages 7 to 11, and 5% will go to children ages 12 to 17. 15% will go to adults 18 and over, 3% will be for property owners and renters, and 0.5% is for businesses that suffered property and economic losses.
And I don't think people are aware of how little they're going to get out of this settlement, because it sounds like a lot of money, and it sounds like everybody that signed up is going to be adequately compensated, and that's just not true.
Flint Mayor Sheldon Neely issued a statement saying no amount of money will heal the wounds inflicted on this community, but adding this judgment provides some sense of comfort to Flint families.
I just feel that the legal system, and in this particular case, the judge has failed the residents of Flint, as well as the state of Michigan has really failed us.
Judge Judith Levy has yet to determine the lawyer's fees from that settlement. That has to be done in a separate order, so claims cannot be paid until that's all sorted out. Reporting live in Flint, Jamie Sherrod, WNEM TV5.